It looks pretty.
Oh god, I don't know if it's straight, it's not very...
Yeah, we'll go down bottom bit where it's a bit more safe. It's a nice little plunge pool. I think we might have a swim. We're in the Yorkshire Dales, doing a gentle walk, seeing a couple of waterfalls. We've parked in the car park at Stainforth and we're now walking down Scar Lane towards Catrigg Force. And we're doing a loop to Langcliffe and back up to Stainforth. But behind us is a little hill called Smearsett over there. I actually bumped into a gentleman and asked him what it was called. Pointed out a few other fells as well. Lovely weather today. I think we've picked the only day that's not sunny. It's been blisteringly hot the past couple of days and today we've picked the overcast day. So I've got my fleece on. I'm getting a bit hot. Yeah, over there in the distance, you might be able to see, might not show up on the camera, is Ingleborough. And Pen-y-Ghent's over there, but we haven't seen that yet. It's always good to have a conversation with locals when you come to these places. Would they be taking that as insulting that I'm calling locals sheep? But these are kind of locals, aren't they? They live here. It's their home.
Might not be native local.
We've got to the top of this road and Pen-y-Ghent has actually shown itself. It's over here. Over in the distance. Pen-y-Ghent. I think he said that was Fell or something, didn't he? That one over there. Pen-y-Ghent, Wernside's behind there, and then Ingleborough in background. And then Smearsett. And sheep. Plenty of sheep. This path, this road, reminds me of Gladiator. Going down to Catrigg Force. Is it Force? Catrigg Falls. Out in mowers. Let's start talking Yorkshire water. This is your port. Danielle's actually from Bradford. So she's a Yorkshire lass, aren't you?
Yep.
Yorkshire lass. Do it that way. We'll go over this way. What?
This way.
Oh, I can see it.
Where? You're having me on, aren't you?
No, can't see it now. It's in us. Shut up now. This is why it takes us so long to do a walk.
Oh God.
We hear a grasshopper, so we have to stop. I think we're at the top of the falls now. Whoa, that's a long way down. Oh, that's pretty. It's a long way down, is that? It looks pretty.
Oh god, I don't know if it's straight, it's not very...
Yeah, we'll go down bottom bit where it's a bit more safe. British Walks, I think it was, I can't remember who was on it. That politician guy. Catrigg Force. Lovely. Get a bit closer. I'll film Danielle though, just in case she falls in. She's got a habit of falling into places like this. Our first time at Catrigg Force. It's lovely, isn't it? Very nice. Yeah. I actually heard about this waterfall on a TV programme on BBC, I think it was. British Walks. It was with Alistair Campbell, I think it was. He was doing a walk, talking about de-stressing and stuff like that. It wasn't this exact walk, but it came down here at the end. And I remember seeing it and thinking, no, I need to go and visit that. Yeah, well worth it. If the weather was a bit warmer today, we'd probably have a little bit of a dip in there. It'd be quite nice, wouldn't we? Would you have a dip?
No.
No? Why not? Yeah, a bit chilly today. Very nice. Pretty. Lovely little walk along this farm track. Very peaceful. Once you get down that Winskill, I think it's called. Nice little gentle walk. Ooh, found a little shed with some tractors in. Look at all them. Found some old tractors. Farmers don't bother replacing them, they just put them in a shed. When they break down, they just put them in a shed and leave them to rot and get a new one. Lovely. Amazing what you find on these little walks. Fellow Discovery. Rotting away. It's newer than mine. I was saying about things being parked up and left to rot. That's newer than mine. Langcliffe village centre. fountain. Danielle says that's her house. Is that your house?
Yeah.
So we've walked through the village of Langcliffe and we're now crossing the main road. We go over the bridge, I think it's a weir, and we might stop for something to eat by the river. Moo cows! Moo! Hello! Come over, let me have a stroke. Sounds wrong, doesn't it? Where are you going?
Move to it.
Moo! Moo! Sound like Dr. Evil.
Yeah, not a good one. I feel like this is freshly caught. They must have known we were coming.
Yeah. Must have known famous people are coming. Northern explorers coming for a visit. Crossing over the train tracks. I think this is the Settle to Carlisle railway. So if you want to see any steam trains, you can stand up here and video them. None coming today though. The River Ribble. Very nice. It's a lovely sound that, innit? Now we're heading to Stainforth Beck. 1.5 miles along the river. Just going to sit by the river and have a bite to eat. And a coffee. Making our way along the side of the River Ribble. River Ribble. It's a mouthful, isn't it? Now on the GoPro, trying it. Different approach. This might be better. It's got good stabilisation, good focusing. Just when it's windy it might be a little bit, yeah, a bit more compact as well. Thinking for these walks it might be a bit better. We're coming up to Stainforth Falls. Should be quite nice. Stepping stones. We've been discussing the roof tent, haven't we?
Yeah.
Finding it hard to find places to pitch up that wild and discreet, and we're wondering if it might be a better idea to set up a bed in the back of the Land Rover and then we can stay pretty much anywhere undetected. The tent's nice but it's not discreet. Yeah, so that's another idea. It's one of them. It's a lot of money for the amount of times we've used it. Yeah. Also, bloody weather doesn't know what to do with itself. Coats are on and off and on and off. I can hear a waterfall. This is Stainforth Falls. apparently in October and November you can actually see salmon jumping up here. You actually swim upstream up this bit and you can see them jumping. So it might be worth coming back at the end of the year and watching that. That'd be quite interesting. Never seen out like that before, so yeah, lovely. A bit of a sucker for a waterfall. Nice down there as well. Yeah. Lovely. And up there you've got the old pack bridge. We'll be walking across that. Danielle's dipping her feet. Right, that's enough waterfall shenanigans. Let's head back to the car. Yeah, it's very old, that bridge. Don't know how old, I'll find out. 16th century I think it is. Pack horse bridge I think it is.
£70.
No, quite cheap actually.
30.
£4.50.
£4.50?
For the gas can, yeah. Well, that was our walk around Stainforth and Langcliffe via Catrigg Beck and Stainforth Falls. Very nice. We will have to return in October when the salmon are jumping. I think that'd be quite interesting to watch. Yeah. Good little walk. We've done 6.8 miles. Wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
No. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Action!
Fly just flew into my head. So, quick, because there's people coming.